Eric Blackmon Music. Hi, and welcome to my tutorial on how to use the major third when playing a guitar solo using the pentatonic scale. The guitar is tuned standard E-A-D-G-B-E, and here's the minor pentatonic scale in A, or A minor. Now what do we mean by major third? If we're playing in A minor, our melodies are based on A minor or an A minor chord like this. Those notes are A, C, E. So if we take the notes A, C, and E from the A major scale, those notes are the one note, the flat third, and the fifth. If we want to make that a major third, we'll take this note and raise it by a half step from the C to C sharp. Now we have A, C sharp, E, which is a major chord. So we have a major third now. And what we're going to talk about in this video is how emphasis on that major third changes the sound of the pentatonic scale. If we're playing the pentatonic scale like this, and emphasizing the note C, it sounds like that. But if we use the major third here, it sounds like this. Now first I'm going to put on a backing track in A minor, and I'm going to play the A minor pentatonic scale, not using the major third but the minor third. And let's see what that sounds like. What we're going to do now is to play the same solo and emphasize the major third, or that C sharp. Let's check that out. There's how we're going to use and emphasize the major third to change the sound of our pentatonic scale solo in A minor. And don't forget, we can do this in any key by just moving up and down the neck with the scale like this. Wherever we start with a pentatonic scale, our major thirds going to be on that G string. Thanks for stopping by, and have a great day.